Hello, this is John. Are you ready to take your website to new heights and conquer the digital realm? Join us on an exhilarating journey into the heart of search engine optimization SEO, where we're about to unleash a power-packed guide that will revolutionize your online presence. Unlock the secrets to skyrocketing your website's visibility and dominating search engine rankings with our power-packed guide on SEO techniques. Dive deep into the world of search engine optimization, as we unravel a treasure trove of strategies, from crafting captivating content and harnessing the art of keywords to unraveling the mysteries of technical SEO wizardry. Whether you're a seasoned digital guru or just dipping your toes into the SEO waters, this video is your ultimate compass to steer your website towards the pinnacle of online success. Get ready to transform your online presence and propel your website to the top of search engine results. V3. Search engine optimization SEO is a complex and multifaceted discipline aimed at enhancing a website's visibility and ranking on search engine results pages (SERPs). Implementing effective SEO techniques is crucial for driving organic traffic, increasing user engagement, and ultimately improving the overall online presence of a website. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into a plethora of detailed SEO techniques that can help boost your website's ranking. V4. Keyword research and analysis. Conduct thorough research to identify relevant keywords and phrases that your target audience is likely to use when searching for information related to your website's content. Utilize keyword research tools to assess search volume, competition, and relevance. Long-tail keywords, more specific phrases, can be valuable for targeting niche audiences. On-page SEO optimization. Optimize individual web pages to make them search engine friendly. V5. Title tags. Craft unique, descriptive, and concise title tags for each page, including the main keyword. Meta descriptions. Write compelling meta descriptions that accurately summarize the page's content and encourage clicks. Header tags. Use appropriate header tags H1, H3, etc. to structure content and highlight important sections. Keyword placement. Integrate target keywords naturally within the content headings and subheadings. V6. Internal linking. Link to other relevant pages within your website to improve navigation and distribute link equity. URL structure. Create clean and descriptive URL that include relevant keywords. High quality content creation. Produce valuable, informative, and engaging content that meets the needs of your target audience. High-quality content has a better chance of earning backlinks and social shares, thus boosting your website's authority. Mobile-friendly design. V7. Ensure your website is responsive and mobile-friendly to accommodate users accessing your site from various devices. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites in its ranking algorithm. Page speed optimization. Improve website loading times by optimizing images, reducing server response times, and leveraging browser caching. A fast-loading website enhances user experience and can positively impact search rankings. Technical SEO. Enhance the technical aspects of your website to ensure that search engines can crawl and index efficiently. XML sitemap. Create and submit an XML sitemap to help search engines understand the structure of your website. Robots.txt. Use a robots.txt file to instruct search engines on which pages to crawl or exclude. Schema markup. Implement schema markup to provide additional context to search engines and enhance rich snippets in SERPs. Canonical tags. Prevent duplicate content issues by using canonical tags to indicate the preferred version. V9. Of a page. HTTPS. Secure your website with an SSL certificate to ensure data encryption and gain a ranking boost. User experience UX optimization. Prioritize user experience to reduce bounce rates and improve dwell time. Mobile experience. Ensure smooth navigation and readability on mobile devices. Readability. Use legible fonts and proper formatting to enhance content readability. Navigation. Create a clear and intuitive website structure that facilitates easy navigation. V10. Engaging multimedia. Incorporate images, videos, and interactive elements to make the content more engaging. Backlink building. Acquire high-quality backlinks from authoritative and relevant websites. Focus on natural link building through guest posts, influencer outreach, content partnerships, and social media promotion. Social signals. Maintain an active presence on social media platforms to amplify your content's reach and engagement. Social signals can indirectly influence search, relevant rankings. Local SEO. For businesses with a physical presence, optimize for local searches. Google My Business. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing with accurate information. Local citations. Build consistent and accurate local citations across online directories. Content updates and maintenance. Regularly update and refresh existing content to keep it relevant and valuable. Outdated content can negatively impact your website's credibility. User engagement metrics. V12. Google considers user engagement signals such as click-through rate, dwell time, and bounce rate as indicators of content quality. Create captivating headlines and engaging content to encourage clicks and prolong user sessions. Competitor analysis. Study your competitors' strategies to identify opportunities and trends in your industry. This can help you refine your own SEO approach. Voice search optimization. With the rise of voice assistants, optimize your content for voice search. V13. Queries by focusing on conversational and long-tail keywords. Video SEO. If you produce video content, optimize it for search engines by using descriptive titles, tags, and transcripts. Local reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and testimonials, which can boost your website's credibility and local rankings. Regular SEO audits. Perform regular audits to identify areas for improvement, track progress, and ensure your SEO efforts align with V14. Search engine algorithms. Algorithm updates and adaptation. Stay informed about search engine algorithm updates and adjust your SEO strategies accordingly to maintain and improve your website's ranking. International SEO. If your target audience is global, implement ref tags to indicate different language versions of your content for international users. Structured data markup. Implement structured data such as JSON LD to provide search engines with additional context about you. V15. Content and enhance featured snippets. In conclusion, mastering SEO requires a comprehensive and holistic approach that encompasses technical optimization, content strategy, user experience, and continuous adaptation to evolving search engine algorithms. By implementing these detailed techniques and strategies, you can significantly enhance your website's visibility, authority, and ranking on search engine results pages.